In today's fast-paced world, managing projects effectively is crucial for any team or organization striving for success. From launching new products to organizing events, and even overseeing construction projects, having the right tools can make all the difference between smooth execution and chaotic disarray. Among the plethora of project management software available, Smartsheet has emerged as a popular contender. But the burning question remains: is Smartsheet truly good for project management? As a seasoned project management professional, I've had the opportunity to explore and utilize various platforms, and Smartsheet certainly brings a unique approach to the table. Let's delve into its strengths, weaknesses, and overall suitability for managing projects of different scales and complexities. At its core, Smartsheet looks and feels very much like a sophisticated spreadsheet program. This familiarity is one of its biggest advantages. Unlike some project management tools that have a steep learning curve due to their specialized interfaces, Smartsheet's spreadsheet-like environment makes it instantly accessible to many users. If you're comfortable with programs like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, you'll likely find Smartsheet intuitive to navigate. This familiar interface allows teams to quickly adapt and start using Smartsheet for various project management tasks. Setting up task lists, assigning responsibilities, defining deadlines, and tracking progress feels natural within this grid-based structure. You can easily create hierarchical task structures using indentations, visually representing subtasks and their parent tasks, which is fundamental for breaking down large projects into manageable chunks. Beyond basic task management, Smartsheet offers a robust set of features tailored for project management. One of its key strengths lies in its flexible views. While the grid view is the foundation, Smartsheet allows you to visualize your project data in different formats, such as Gantt charts, calendar views, and card views, Kanban boards. This adaptability caters to different working styles and provides valuable perspectives on the project timeline, resource allocation, and workflow. The Gantt chart functionality, in particular, is quite powerful, allowing you to visualize dependencies between tasks, track critical paths, and monitor project schedules effectively. Collaboration is another area where Smartsheet shines. Multiple team members can work on the same sheet simultaneously, making it a dynamic platform for real-time updates and communication. You can assign tasks to specific individuals, set up automated reminders for upcoming deadlines, and attach relevant documents directly to tasks. The commenting feature allows for seamless communication within the context of specific tasks, reducing the need for lengthy email threads and keeping all project-related discussions centralized. Furthermore, Smartsheet offers excellent reporting and automation capabilities. You can create customized reports to track key project metrics, such as task completion rates, resource utilization, and budget adherence. These reports can be easily shared with stakeholders, providing them with clear and concise summaries of project progress. The automation features allow you to set up workflows that trigger actions based on specific events. For instance, you can automate notifications when a task is completed or when a deadline is approaching, streamlining processes and reducing manual effort. Smartsheet also integrates well with other popular business applications, such as Microsoft Office 365, Google Workspace, and various CRM and business intelligence tools. This interoperability ensures that project data can flow seamlessly between different systems, enhancing overall efficiency. However, like any tool, Smartsheet has its limitations. While its spreadsheet-like interface is a strength for many, it might feel less visually engaging or feature-rich compared to dedicated project management platforms with more specialized dashboards and visual workflows. For very complex projects with intricate dependencies and resource management requirements, some users might find Smartsheet's capabilities less advanced than those offered by tools specifically designed for enterprise-level project management. Another aspect to consider is the cost. Smartsheet's pricing structure is based on a per-user subscription model, which can become expensive for larger teams. While it offers different plans with varying features, organizations need to carefully evaluate their needs and budget to determine if Smartsheet aligns with their financial constraints. Despite these considerations, Smartsheet proves to be a highly versatile and effective tool for a wide range of project management needs. Its intuitive interface, coupled with its robust features for task management, collaboration, reporting, and automation, makes it a strong contender for teams of various sizes and across different industries. In conclusion, is Smartsheet good for project management? The answer is a resounding yes, with a few caveats. It excels in providing a flexible and collaborative environment for planning, executing, and tracking projects. Its familiarity makes it easy to adopt, and its diverse features cater to many essential project management needs. While it might not be the absolute best fit for every single type of project or organization, its strengths in usability, collaboration, and adaptability make it a valuable asset for teams looking to enhance their project management capabilities. For individuals and small to medium-sized teams seeking a powerful yet user-friendly project management solution, Smartsheet is definitely worth considering. Its ability to bridge the gap between simple spreadsheets and complex project management software makes it a compelling choice for driving project success. As the landscape of project management tools continues to evolve, Smartsheet remains a strong and adaptable player, empowering teams to organize their work and achieve their goals effectively.